Yes, student, we continue with the next reactions. And I already taught you previous reactions: close contact, solution, heat, pressure, and I am discussing about the remaining conditions. Okay, and depend the occurring a chemical reaction: electricity, light, and catalyst. Okay, so we erase this thing here. Okay, student. Now we discuss about uh, light. When any chemical substance absorbs light, then it get activated. Okay, so here this type of reaction is called photochemical photochemical reactions. Clear, student? This type of reaction is called photochemical reactions or photolysis. Okay, in these reactions mainly it is occurred in the photosynthesis, when plants form their foods in the presence of sunlight. Okay, in the presence of CO2. So here the reaction is 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O equals to formation of glucose C6H12O6 plus remaining left part is hydrogen is 12 here, so 6 hydrogen is 12 here and here is 22, and remaining part is 6 H2O. Okay, student, so glucose is formed in the presence of sunlight. This is called photosynthesis. Clear, student? 6 CO2 plus 12 H2 equals to C6H12O6 plus 6 H2O. Okay, so this is the reaction and okay, student, clear or not? And next is electricity. And hydrogen and chlorine is also react with each other in the presence of sunlight to form 2HCl. To form 2HCl. Okay, student. Hydrogen H2 plus Cl2 equals to 2HCl, sunlight. Sunlight. Okay, student. So this is the other examples of photochemical reaction. Next reaction is next condition is electricity. When we supply electricity or applied electricity, then the reaction is occurred, just as like the formation of splitting of water 2H2O. This is electrolysis, and 2H2 plus O2. When we supply electricity in water, in contact, water is contact in electricity, or we supply electricity in water, this process is called electrolysis, and water is split into two parts. First is hydrogen and second is oxygen. Okay, in a tumbler we demonstrate in practical, okay, of the electrolysis. So this is O negative and this is positive. So here is stored in the electrodes. Okay, next is catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst is the substance that change the rate of reaction, speed of reaction or rate of the reactions. Change the rate of reaction or change the speed of reaction. But it do not participate in reactions. Okay, so it remains as it is present conditions. Just okay. So example is N2 plus 3H2 equals to 2NH3. This is ammonia, and Fe is a catalyst, and 200 above 200 atm pressure. Okay, so the example is used in pressure conditions occurring pressure and catalyst. Okay, so catalyst is the substance that change the rate of reactions, either it is positive or negative. It deaccelerate or accelerate the rate of reactions and do not participate in reaction. It left remains as at the previous conditions. Okay, catalysts are of two types. Positive, mainly not classifications. Positive catalyst and negative catalyst. So student, this is we explained all the condition which is necessary for a chemical change and occurring a chemical reactions. Okay, so you student watch this video carefully. Okay, thank you, good day, take care.